Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to factory reset iPhone without knowing Apple ID password. If you're using any iPhone and you want to make a factory reset to your iPhone, but you're facing the issue that you don't know about your Apple ID password, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app here, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, and here tap on this continue option, then tap on erase iPhone. And after that you have to enter your iPhone passcode, and then you have to wait for this uploading your data to iPhone backup, and after that you have to enter your Apple ID password. If you don't know about your Apple ID password, so you have to, don't worry, just go back from here, and here simply tap on your Apple ID and then tap on the sign in and security, then select this change password option. After that, you must have to enter your iPhone passcode, or you have to verify yourself using your Face ID. So here you have to simply enter your new password and then retype your new password. And after retyping your new password, your Apple ID password will be changed. After updating your Apple ID password, you must have to wait for almost 5 to 10 minutes, or you can also try to make a force restart your iPhone to make a quick refresh with all of your iPhone settings. And after doing that, you have to simply open your settings app and repeat the method again. Go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings here, select continue, then select erase iPhone from here, enter your iPhone passcode, then complete your backup, and then enter your Apple ID password here, which you have just created. And once you have entered your Apple ID password, just tap on this turn off option and your iPhone will be completely factory reset. If you face any kind of issue in this step, so you have a simple way. You just have to connect your iPhone with your PC or your laptop, and with the help of your PC or laptop, you'll be able to make a factory reset of your iPhone. You can crack your Apple ID password, or you can also reinstall the complete software on your iPhone with using your your laptop or PC and without entering your Apple ID password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.